Hello, my name is Stephen Sellers from Grant Sellers, and this is part of the Tax Mysteries series. This is number 3, and I'm not make no apologies for this month only talking about tax planning. It's about this time of the year when individuals are considering their tax position, because the fiscal year comes to an end on the 5th of April 2019. So is there anything they can do to mitigate tax? I've written a blog about various things, common things that people consider at this time of year. It's very well worth a little bit of time to think and ponder as to whether you can do anything. I shall be resuming my normal Tax Mystery series and talking about the oddities that one has in the UK tax system next month, but I thought this one was an important one to address and to raise with you. And of course we've got the Chancellor's statement on the 13th of March, which we don't think will contain anything obviously relating to current tax year. He says not anyway. It is designed to look at the overall state of the economy. We've only got one budget, and that is in the autumn, and that's been the case for the last couple of years. So hope to see you again next month, and I'll sign off here. Thank you very much.